The APEC FILTER-MAX45 Replacement Set is a top-tier choice for those looking to maintain their reverse osmosis water filter system with high-quality, USA-made components. This complete replacement set is designed to last, with pre-filter cartridges enduring over 12 months, and the membrane and post-carbon filter lasting between 3 to 5 years. It is compatible with a wide range of reverse osmosis systems, including APEC Water RO45 and RP pump, as well as other standard-size undercounter systems. The set includes a high-capacity sediment filter, carbon block filters, a DOW Filmtec membrane, and an inline carbon filter, ensuring comprehensive contaminant removal. Featuring a 50-gallon-per-day reverse osmosis membrane, it effectively removes up to 99% of contaminants, providing exceptional drinking water quality. The advanced carbon block filters in this set outperform granular activated carbon filters, ensuring no carbon fines leak and maintaining high adsorptive capacity.